Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off sound effects in DICE Streams. To turn off sound effects in DICE Streams is super easy. Launch open the DICE Streams application like you normally would, and then go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu button at the top left. Now in the expanded menu, click on the gear button on the top right, and you will then be able to open up the settings menu. If there is sound effects and music enabled on your game, it will show you a green button right next to the options. If you want to switch off sound effect and music, simply toggle off the button right next to sound effects and music. Make sure that both of the buttons are turned off, and once you are done, you can exit this screen and the sound effects will be disabled. Now you have no sound distractions while rolling on DICE Streams. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the tutorial helpful, like, share and subscribe for more of these tutorials. I will be back again in the next one. Thank you for watching.